What's going on, YouTube fam? It's your girl Raquel. I'm back with another video. I got my IPSY box, y'all, but before we get into this IPSY box, I want to check these 111 skin masks out with you guys. So I decided I'm gonna rock this mask the whole video and see what this do. $35. This just my fresh rose petal lip balm. I know y'all didn't come here for this. Y'all came here to check out what's in my IPSY box. But I had other plans. And so we're going to check out these $135 masks. I'm just going to put this mask on and we're going to rock it the whole video. Well, this is how it looks. Feels like jelly, not your regular cloth mask. It feels like a gelatin. Woo! It's cold. Okay guys, this is how the mask looks on. I still don't say $135. It says an advanced structure of the 111 Skin Hydrogel Mask enhances the absorption of moisture to create a protective barrier that helps skin perfectly hydrate. The hydrogel mask is a combination of 24 karat gold and the mask rose extract works in a powerful synergy to brighten, firm, optimize moisture levels. It says put it on and leave it on for 20 minutes. So we'll see. I guess that's why it's $135 because it got real gold in it. But who would put real gold in a mask that you're just gonna wear for 20 minutes and pop it in the trash? So I don't get that, but this here is how we doing this video. And then it's not a good fit. I know some people, I was curious, and if I had seen this video, I want to see this mask do its thing. So we rocking this for 20 minutes. Okay guys, here is this month's it's September, right? Yeah, September's IPSY box. And y'all, let me tell y'all, on IPSY, you do not have to wait on your box. You get the little notification that your box is ready. You can go into your IPSY account and see everything that's in your box. And also now you get to choose 3 items. So I was not filling this box all the way, even though I chose 3 items, but the choices were so limited. Y'all. So this is what the inside of the box looks like. So this is me I'm knowing that this is a skincare box. So we're gonna mask through this box. Okay, there are no cards at all. So we're just gonna go through what's in here. Now I will say I really do like the little bag. This is a cute little bag. It's that velvety material. And I thought, you know, this is nice. This is nice. I like this. And the first thing I'm pulling out of this bag, I don't see the things that was supposed to be in my box, but I'm just gonna pour everything out. Yeah, that's not what's in my box, but it just says good vibes. So let's just go with what we have in the box. The first thing I see here is there's no price. This is the Liquid Whip Moisturizing Lip Oil. That's what it looks like. By art, what is it? It just says item. I don't know if that's a brand. I don't know about it. And there's nothing on the card. So we just have to go with it, y'all. That's what the dough applicator looks like. The dough applicator looks like. I already got on some balm, but the lip oil won't hurt. Can't really tell, but oh my goodness, it smells like peaches. It smells so good. Item lip quip come through. It's the lip quip and come through. I like that. And I love the smell. It smells just like peaches. The next thing I see here, now I don't get this. I have a brush. Firma 109 brush. If I'm not mistaken, I was supposed to be getting mask. I'll put the little thing here so it can roll. I'll probably be over here where it can roll by. You can see where it shows you what I'm supposed to be getting. And this brush was not one of those things. But I have, oh, I know why I got this brush. I used my points and I ordered this brush. This is why I had this brush. So, I don't know. It showed I was supposed to be getting some masks, but I don't see any mask in the box. But at any rate, we got the Firma brush, okay? It's nice. It's nice. Whatever. I got another one of these brushes that I got last month, and I chose this, so there's nothing I can say about that. But the last month, I think I got the, was it a foundation brush or was it a blending brush? It's not over here. But this is the, we designed this brush to make your life easier. Complex contour. I got a contour brush last month. I don't know what this brush is. It says press and set bronzer. This is a bronzer brush. And I like these brushes, so I'm not upset about it. So I'm happy to have these brushes. This brush, I was looking for the other one so I could show it to you guys, because I think this is like the third one of these I got. And I like them. Let me quit talking too much. Let's keep going. The next thing I have here is Seed to Skin Scrub. A grain polish exfoliant, natural ox grain molecules. It's apparently a body scrub. And I do know this is sold at Ulta because I saw it in Ulta. And I was like, whoa, this is $20-something for just this? You know, I'm going to pass. That's what it looks like. I don't know, maybe this was just my month for all skincare products, because that's exactly what I got. It don't smell too bad, and it's not too grainy. I mean, it's grainy, like a sugar scrub or something, but it's not those rough grains that feel like it's tearing your skin off. And the next thing I got in here is a IPSY by Petra liner. That's what it looks like, and it's just a brown liner. I'm not happy at all with this box, if you guys can tell. I think next month, if next month's box isn't any better, that may be my last IPSY box, okay? For real. And this is the last thing in here, the Fancy Face Oil Cleanser. That's what this looks like. Don't have any prices, but I'm not happy, if y'all can't tell. It says this is a Fancy Face Fanciness Checkup. Offers clean, nourished skin. Not unfancy, light, dry skin. Really? It will whisk away makeup, primers, cream, sunscreen, excess oil, grime, and leave the skin nourished, clean, and wonderfully soft. I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed. Oh wow. And it comes with a cleansing cloth. That's white. That makes no sense. That should have been black. Let's see what it looks like. If it even works. It just looks like an oil. That's exactly what it looks like. And it just smells like really nothing. A real nice light smell to it. Cleansing oil, cleansing cloth for taking off makeup, body scrub, and there are no masks. So I don't know what's going on. And a brush, and a lip. So I really only got 4 things, no mask, and I purchased a brush. So I don't know if IPSY failed and missed my box and left some stuff out, but I'm not happy with IPSY at all this month. So yeah guys, that's the end of this haul. I'm pretty sure my 20 minutes of this masking thing, I'm gonna leave it on. I'm gonna leave it on and come right back. Okay guys, let's see what this $135 mask did. I left it on for about a good 30 minutes. I still see my spots and dots. It's a no for $135. My face did not look miraculously better. So it's a no, and it's bad IPSY box, y'all. I'm just sharing with y'all what's in it. This month, I don't know. I will hang around just one more month. October may be my last month. Heads up. Alright guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to y'all later. Stay blessed, y'all. Bye.